Hi, and welcome to the Horse Portal. My name is Matt Houlihan, and I'm the Education Programs Administrator here at Equine Guelph. And we are delighted to have you join us for Gut Health and Colic and Ulcer Prevention. This video will give you a short preview of the Horse Portal, and will show you how to access your course, how to complete your lessons, and how to join in on the course discussions. If you have any questions or concerns about the Horse Portal, or if you experience any technical difficulties, please email us at horseportal@uoguelph.ca and we'll do our best to help you out. So let's get started. This is the Horse Portal, and if you haven't already done so, we'll need to go ahead and log in. So we'll click here in the top right, and we'll be using the email and password that you created when you first registered. If you have forgotten that password, there is a link here. Just click that and it will start the process to restore your password. I have my password and email saved to my browser. You can choose to do that if you wish. And once we're ready, we can click log in, and that will take you to your main account page. And on this page, you can see any courses that you've registered for, your certificates you've received, and make any changes to your password or to your profile picture. And as you can see under my courses, I've got Gut Health and Colic Ulcer Prevention here. Click that, and that will take us to the course homepage. This is the course homepage, and from here you'll be able to access all of your lessons, see any announcements, access your quizzes, the discussion forum, and any resources that we've posted here. You can quickly find the key elements of the course along this black nav bar here. So for time to time, your instructor might post an announcement in the course. These will appear right about here as a block, and you can click that for more information. And once we start getting more announcements, they'll also appear on this black nav bar. So just keep your eyes open for any announcements for more information about the course as it goes on. When you're ready to get started with your first lesson, click View Lessons. And what that will do is it will snap you down to the bottom of the page where you can find your first lesson, Introduction to the Course. Click that, and we have our first lesson. This is the first lesson of the course, and it goes into a little bit more detail about what to expect for the rest of the course. All the material that you'll need will be found on these lesson pages, either linked or embedded, so there's no additional things that you will need to purchase or look for beyond what's on the pages here. Just note on the side here is the list of all of the different units and lessons. So if there's something you want to go back and check out, you can easily do that here. Something I will point out are some of the icons that you'll see throughout the course. These will point out to you some of the things that you'll be doing in each lesson. So we have discussions. These will be opportunities to chat with our instructor or guest expert. Did you know? Interesting facts and tidbits that will crop up from time to time. Learning activities, these will be things that you'll be doing, either some reading or other activities that will help you understand the material a little bit better. Helpful hints, so tips and tricks. And last is going the distance. This is extra resources or opportunities to learn. They are not mandatory, but we do encourage you to check them out or bookmark them and save them for later, and really go the distance for the care and welfare of your horses. At the bottom of the page, we have our first activity, which is to introduce yourself in the discussion forum, and so we will do that next. In the first lesson, we have an activity to introduce yourself in the discussion forum. So let's go do that. So to make a post, just scroll up to the top, and on the black nav bar here, we see discussions, and that will take you to the discussions page. And we have 5 forums for this course. I'll just go over them quickly here. We have questions about the course, so general concerns or comments about the course, you can post here. And once again, if you have any technical issues, please reach out to us by email and we'll try to do our best to help you out. Our guest expert will be showing up in the second week of our course, so please check that out. There'll be announcements or emails to remind you of this. It's an excellent opportunity to ask questions, so we hope you join us for that. And then we have week 1 and week 2 discussions. So within each lesson, there will be calls to join us in the discussion, either a question from your instructor or opportunity to share your experiences. And so you'll be doing that either in week 1 or week 2, depending on where you are in the course. But the one that we are looking for here is student introductions. So let's click that and leave our post. So to leave a comment, you can either just click leave a comment here, or as you can see, it's already ready for us. Good practice to leave a subject there just so people know what we're talking about here. And down here you can post your message. And when you're all ready, you can click post new comment to do so. A couple of neat features that you can do. You can include a link if there's a website or something else you want to draw attention to in your post, or you can click add media and include a photo. And as you can see here, feel free to attach a photo of yourself or your horses if you choose. So click media and upload a photo if you so choose, and it will appear in your comment. When you're all ready, as I said, click post new comment and it will appear in the discussions. If you do need to make a quick edit, the opportunity will be there for you for about half an hour. Beyond that, please reach out to us and we'll make any changes if you need to. If you would like to reply to somebody, find the comment that you'd like to respond to and click this black arrow here. And what that will do, you'll know you've done it correctly. It will say leave a reply, and you can add your reply. Post that comment there and it will appear underneath that initial comment. And the person who made the comment will, there we go, see that as a reply. They'll get a notification and they'll see that you've responded to them. So just a reminder, when you're using the discussion forums, to keep the post positive, respect your fellow classmates, instructor, and guest expert, and only share the things that you are comfortable sharing. And remember that neither our instructor nor our guest expert is actually able to diagnose. They can only give general suggestions and feedback. Beyond that, we hope that you make use of the discussion forums. And now let's go to finish off the course. Now that we've made our student introduction post, we've completed everything that we need to do for this lesson. So what we'll do is mark the lesson as complete, and that will automatically move you to the next lesson of the course, 1.2, and you'll be able to keep going from there. As you can see on the sidebar there, 1.1 is crossed off. That means that you've marked it as complete. What you'll need to do to complete the course is mark every single lesson as complete as you work your way through, complete all the activities, do all the discussions, that sort of thing. When you've done that, and I'll move on to the last lesson here to show you. This is the last lesson here. Once you mark that as complete, you will receive your certificate. There will be a pop-up up here, and you can go to My Account, My Certificates, to see the certificate and print it off if you wish. In that last lesson, there's a couple things to point out. What's next? Some opportunities to keep learning with Equine Guelph on the Horse Portal and through our certificate courses. And what we hope you can do at the end of the course is we have a course evaluation here at the end, and it is a short survey, and it is your opportunity to tell us your thoughts about the course. What did you like? What could we have done a little differently or improved upon? And what are some things you'd like to see in the future? The feedback that we receive from these surveys is incredibly important. It helps us make improvements to the Horse Portal and helps us also design new courses. So if you can, at the end, please take a few minutes to do that. We'd very much appreciate it. So, as I said, once you mark the lesson complete and you finish the course, you will be, you'll receive your certificate. The course period runs for 2 weeks, but you will have an additional few weeks afterwards in order to go back and check out any resources or anything that you'd like to revisit. Please remember that when that time is over, access to the course will close and we won't be able to get back in. But anyways, thank you for joining us for this short tour of the horse portal. We hope that you enjoy this short course and that it contributes to your understanding of the horses in your care. And welcome to the horse portal.